What's good, everybody? This is Mark Days. I am back again with another video for ya. Okay, another video for you. Excuse the packaging, it totally got destroyed in shipping, but I'm back with the Spigen Ultra Hybrid with MagSafe case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you haven't done so, go watch the iPhone 14 Pro Max unboxing and first impressions. I will leave a link for that in the description. I'll also leave links in the descriptions for everything that you see here for you to purchase yourself. Okay, so let's get to it. We're gonna unbox this case. Now, y'all remember last year when I did the Ultra Hybrid for the 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue, I had nothing but beef and smoke to bring to Spigen because they made my life a living heck. Okay, I don't know if I had OCD or whatever new labels these people want to put on people these days, but the dust that got under this case, oh man, I wanted to go to war so bad with Spigen. Man, oh my goodness. I mean, as soon as I would get the dust out, there was dust back in the case immediately, instantaneously. My goodness, man. So let's see what we're doing this year. Unbox this joint. I mean, they destroyed this in shipping. Amazon, y'all do better, man. Y'all tripping, bro. I don't know if it's Amazon's fault or Spigen's fault. I don't know whose fault it is. Let's see. Good job to Spigen though on the packaging. Always enjoy their packaging. I like when I see their little ads. I like it. It just reminds me of more stuff that I probably need. Oh, look at that, the MagFit collect. Oh, they got a headphone stand for the Mag. Oh, I might need that for my AirPods Max. With a charger station right there. I like that. Watch joint. Okay, Spigen, I see you. Man, listen, Spigen, get in touch with me. Send me some of this stuff. Let me review it for you, man. Get in touch with me. This is interesting. I saw this. They have like this little thing where you can add MagSafe to any case pretty much. It's pretty hard. All right, anyway, enough free promotion for y'all. Get in touch with me, man. Let's chop it up. Okay. All right. It's about to be the moment of truth. I'm just, man. Great looking case though. Super clear. Listen. Anticipate buying one every couple months, maybe every month. You will get. Look at, it's already something under there. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm about to be salty. I can tell. Oh man. So listen, anticipate getting one of these every so often. It will turn yellow. There's no way around it. It's gonna get yellow. Just be okay with that. Okay? It will get yellow. We got our MagSafe right here. Super legit. So let me give my phone a tiny little wipe down of some sort, because I hate seeing my fingerprints like on the sides and stuff when I put it in the case. That really gets under my skin. A little bit of a wipe down right there. All right. Gotta get this tab out of here in the middle. And they got one over the little MagSafe, which is dangerous because that could automatically cause a fingerprint on the inside. Now, why I did that like that is because I didn't want to put more fingerprints on the doggone sides. I think I did okay. As far as the fingerprints on the sides are concerned, it wasn't perfect, but it was better than expected. Okay, test the buttons out before I rip the back off. Clicky, very clicky. Can y'all hear that? Very clicky, very good, no complaints there. Let's take this part off right here. Boom. That looks nice. I can't wait to, okay, we're back. I can't wait to see how this, how my battery pack works on the back. Got a nice battery pack from Zero Limit I'm about to do a review on, and then unboxing. Face ID. Just obsessed with this little pill for whatever reason. Ah, yeah, I love that. I love that. Look at that. I love that. Beautiful, y'all. Looks great. I can't see too much dust in there, so I'm not gonna be too picky like I was last. Look, I'm doing better this year, man. The screen protector went on great when I did that video. This case went on. I don't see too much dust or anything like that underneath. Like, this actually went super smooth. I'm shocked. Man, 2023 might be my year, man. You know? Beautiful. That's nice. That's gorgeous. I like this. This is gorgeous, man. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful clear case. I mean, yeah, it's cool. It got a little bit of a lip. Little bit. You don't want to go too crazy. But it has a little bit of a lip. It's very sturdy though. I mean, this thing is going to protect your phone 100%. A little bit of a lip in the back. A little bit of a lip where the camera's at to protect those cameras. Man, that's what's up, man. Everything is good to go here. Look, where's the case? Where's the case? Here we go. Look, the Ultra Hybrid for the 14 Pro Max with MagFit, MagSafe, right? 14 Pro Max, man. Speaking, y'all did it again. When it ain't broke, don't try to fix it, man. This is what I want to see every year. When it's not broke, don't try to fix it. Leave it alone. And speaking, y'all have left it alone, and y'all have made perfection yet again. So, no complaints from me. I'm excited about this. I need to hurry up and clear my 13 Pro Max out because that's going to the Mom Dukes. And now that this is all set up and I got a screen protector and I have a case on here, we can go ahead and do that. So, shout out to Apple for this beautiful beast of a phone, right? Shout out to this freaking black pill right here, aka the Dynamic Island. The Dynamic Island. It's a beautiful thing, right? So shout out to my screensaver too, man. I'm just so proud of myself. These are my two biggest accomplishments for 2022 in my opinion. Getting my passport back, it wasn't commandeered or stolen or anything like that, but getting my passport reissued to me after about 20 something years, and my little platinum business card. Not a big deal to some people, but big deal to me. Shout out to Coach too, my favorite luxury brand. Got me a nice little passport holder there with the card slots. I might do a review on that, man. It's a beautiful thing. So shout out to Spigen, man. Here we go. I'm able to move on with my life happily. No struggles this time, no problems this time. Screen protector went on beautifully. I think this is my new screen protector of choice, by the way, the Glass TR Easy Fit by Spigen. I'll leave a link in the description on where you can buy all this stuff. And this particular case, this is every year I got to get one of these. It's like mandatory, man. You know what I'm saying? It's mandatory. But it will go yellow. I'm just telling y'all, it's gonna go yellow on you. It just is what it is. Be prepared to buy a couple of these every few months or every couple months or whatever. Maybe every couple weeks, depends on if you're rocking it every single day. And if you're like me, I'm gonna rock this every day, and this is gonna be as yellow as Jerome off of Martin Teeth. You understand what I'm telling you? That's a fact. It's gonna be yellow. So thank y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Peace be unto you. Good job, Spigen. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share this out. Make sure you like the video. Again, subscribe. More content like this coming soon. Peace be unto you. Mark Bays signing off. I'm out.